A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So we done read from Paul letter to the Roman them. And while me a wait for uno, if you tell me which book uno want me to read from next, me I go just go and read 2 Saamz. I know the official translation, this is just a draft. But today, me I go read Saamz 121. And remember, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So, me turn my eye and look up in the mountain them. Which part me going to get it from? Me I go get help from Yahweh, the one who make heaven and earth. Him now will make you buck your toe and pitch over. The one who guard you, now go doze off by you. No, the one who guard Israel, now go doze off. He now go drop asleep. Yahweh are your guard. Yahweh are your protector. And him they near you. Nothing bad now go happen to you. When the sun come out at daytime, nothing now go happen to you. When the moon come out at nighttime, Yahweh go and guard you from every kind of evil. He might go guard your life. Yahweh go and guard you when time you go out and when time you come back in. He might go keep you safe now and forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.